Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the iRobot Braava Jet M6, specifically the M6 I did receive this product directly from iRobot, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging for our Braava Jet. Everything looks great. You see the spray on the front and the beautiful image on the back side here showing you the mop pad, the drive wheels, the charging contacts. Also, you might notice down here, this does have a free mobile app from iRobot that works with iOS and Android devices. Now it's time to open it up. Looking for a secure and reliable way to access the internet? Look no further than ExpressVPN. Protect your personal information and browsing history from prying eyes. Act now and sign up for ExpressVPN today using our link in the description and receive an extra 3 months of service for free. Oh boy, here we go. Take a look. So exciting. So exciting. All right, we'll come back to that in a minute. Let's see what else we have in here. We have our drip tray, charger, product literature here, safety guide, warranty information. And then you'll see in here, whoa, let's go. So we got our lovely power cable. We have our mop pad. We have some nice solution here, concentrate. You'll see a couple more mop pads, single use. And then we have a nice single use dry sweeping pad. Anything else in there? All right, that appears to be everything. All right, look at all the goodies here. You'll see our quick start guide, very detailed and thorough with the QR code, walks you through step by step how to get everything all set up and ready to go. This also comes with a 1-year warranty, multiple cleaning pads here. This is going to be your reusable, washable, and easy to clean pad. We also have a couple concentrate mix samples for you from Bona that you can try depending on your floor type. You'll see our drip tray and charging base right here. iRobot's logo and branding, indicator light. We also have on the back side our cable management with multiple channels here. This helps allow you to keep it flush up against your wall. Really nice. And then to assemble it, again, just drop the drip tray right on there. And lastly, we have the unit itself. Let's look at this in more detail. Top of the unit has your camera and sensor here. iRobot's logo and branding. Beautiful two-tone color scheme. Open this up to reveal our water tank here, where we can twist to unlock, add our water, pour in our concentrate or any sort of cleaning solution you want, lock it, and put it right back in, and you're all set and ready to go. 3 different control buttons here, 2 on the side in the corner. Now let's look at it from the side. You'll see here we have the Braava Jet logo and branding, navigational bumper. Here's a peek at the back side, additional sensor there. Here's a look at the other side. Now we can look at the very bottom here. Spring-loaded drive wheels, charging contacts. This is where we're going to go ahead and attach our included mop pad here. Arrow to arrow. So just flip it around, line it up, and then it snaps right in place. Look at that. Beautiful. And that brings me to this side, the very front, where we have our spray nozzle and our eject button for the mop pad. It basically, if you just notice that, pops it right out the side. So we can slide it in. It clips in, and then when you're ready to be done, just press, and basically it comes right back out. So simple and straightforward to easily remove, to clean after every use. And then just pop this open when it's time to refill the water tank. Lastly, just for fun, I thought I'd show you a side-by-side of all 3 different models together here with the two-tone color schemes. You can just pick and choose whatever one you like best.